The Poco F7 is an eagerly awaited smartphone from Xiaomi's sub-brand Poco, set to make waves in the mid-range market with its powerful specifications and competitive pricing. Expected to launch globally in mid-2025, the device is rumored to be powered by the new Snapdragon 8's Elite chipset, which offers performance superior to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 but slightly below the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, making it a strong contender for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications. The Poco F7 is anticipated to feature a massive 7,000 mAh battery, promising extended usage for heavy users, and will support an impressive 90W fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime when recharging. On the display front, the device is rumored to include a 1.5K LTPS AMOLED panel, providing sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth performance for media consumption and gaming. The Poco F7 is expected to integrate advanced camera technology, including a high-resolution main sensor and additional lenses to cater to various photography scenarios. Combined with its sleek design, optimized software, and affordability, the Poco F7 is poised to deliver an exceptional balance of performance and value, continuing Poco's legacy of redefining the mid-range smartphone segment.